Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable access to your wallet when iPhone is locked. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to the Face ID and passcode. Once you're here, you need to type your passcode, so just type it. Then you want to swipe down and find the section Allow Access when locked. Once you're here, you're going to find Wallet, just a little bit below. And if you turn this feature on, you're going to get the access to your wallet without the unlocking your iPhone. So you're going to be able to just see your cards, but I think you're not going to be able to pay with your wallet unless you unlock your iPhone with Face ID or just the passcode, for example. You're just going to be able to see your cards and the end numbers of your cards right there. So I guess in the most cases you want to just make this as disabled, because if you are going to lose your phone, I don't think it is convenient to make someone able to just use your wallet. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.